Unsolved, unanswered, unknown. An innocent victim, a young mother, is shot and killed right in front of a South Sacramento home. As Edie Lambert reports, now police and her family are looking to the public for answers.
My niece is lost without her mom. She doesn't have a mom now, and she's constantly saying, you know, mommy's in heaven.
Carrie McCullough was an innocent victim. She and her family were at a friend's barbecue in South Sacramento last October. They were just getting ready to leave when shots rang out, hitting and killing the young mother.
Nobody at that house was the intended target at all.
Sacramento County Sheriff's detectives say they don't know why the suspects fired, and they have little information about who did it.
But it is going to take a lot of help from the public, and even help from the people that have done this.
Carrie's family says there are two things in particular that made her so special.
Her smile and the way she gave. She was always giving. She never expected anything back.
Now her family is asking for help.
My plea is for somebody to come forward, whether or not you have anything to do with the case. If you know something, just come forward. My sister was my life.
Edie Lambert, KCRA 3 Night Team.
Carrie's family says she was supposed to marry her high school sweetheart this year. If you have any information, you're asked to call the Sacramento County Sheriff's Department.